Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. And in today's classes, we will study about the in last classes what we have understand about the PA, PSA, company group, company subgroup. So now in this class, what where we left from the yesterday class, now we'll continue from there only. And let me show you. I think because in last 1 to 7 classes, I already have mentioned and denoted everything properly in my what I think that I have explained you very well. But still, if you are having any issue or any problem, please do let me know. I'll work on that. And using the transaction code SPRO, we were doing the work, right? So what were we doing exactly? We were creating, you can say, BBP, business blueprint. All right, so this is very important part of payroll, and not payroll, SCM, because we are doing SCM, human capital management course. And this is going to help you out to build your career in SAP HCM profile. So let me show you the main thing here which we need to do today in today's class. So in SPRO, we are in the enterprise structure. So in enterprise structure, let me give you an overview. In last classes, what we did, we in enterprise structure we went in definition. We did, just a second. We clicked on edit, copy, delete, check company code. So we created company code. So first of all, whenever you are joining any company, what is the main important things? Obviously, if you're working for any company and you are going to do payroll for the company, so first of all you'll create the company and company code. So by using this option, edit, copy, delete, check company code, I'll show you how we did in yesterday class. I double click on it. Window is opening, please wait. And again you can see another window opened, and here we can click on edit company code data. I clicked on it, and now here we can create. So company code, as I told you, company code can be in alphabetical, in numerical form, or in alphabetical and numerical, and or in numerical and alphabetical combination. So that maximum number, 4, there should be 4 numbers including alphabet and numbers. So here you can see there are already company codes given here, right? And we made, I can show you, I clicked on position. What company code we created in yesterday class, I'll show you. The day before yesterday class we did it. And PW03 we created here. You can see here PW Private Limited is the company full name, and the code is PW03, right? So we did this in last class. Again I close the window. I'll show you another thing what we did in yesterday class. Okay, now we went in going through enterprise structure, going in definition. After that we'll go in human resource management option. So there we created personal area. Personal area is nothing but the company locations, and personal sub area is nothing but the departments, and we made employee groups and employee subgroups. So in employee groups, what we are trying to do yesterday, let me show you. I'll click on employee group. So if you remember, we were searching like what I told you. So before clicking on new entry, you will have to find here, you will have to search it around that the number you are going to use should not be existing in the system already, right? And that can be in single digit or single alphabet or in single special character. So you can see here all the characters and alphabets already are used, right? So like yesterday it was very difficult to find, and because it was online, and I didn't want to take your so much time searching all. searching and all. That is why I told you that give me some time. In maybe tomorrow class I'll show you. I'll find the special character, right, and I'll show you. So I found today I found I'll show you. I'll click on position. I'll put here. I made it yesterday. Today itself I searched it around today and I made it. So I'll show you how I found and how I created this. So I put this comma, right? I use this. I'll click on continue. Just a second. Yeah, this is the employee group code, and I made today in today class, like not in class, out of the class I did it. I am just showing you because all the special characters and numbers and alphabets are used, right? So I found somehow this special character. I made it as active in bracket my name initial Smita Rajput underscore November, because this is the November month and it is the year is 2022. So for my reference, for future references, I created this is this, right? So for active, I given this code. It is comma, and I'll again show you in clicking on position. I put here this sign. You can see this sign. Okay, for this sign I'll create it inactive, and again my name initial November and 2022. So for active employees I used this special, for inactive employees I used this special character inactive employees, and for active employees I used comma sign, right? So this is how made, like how to create. Click on new entry, put that any sign A B C D E F G H or any alphabet or numeric or anything like special character or number, anything you can choose here, which should not be existing in the system. So as we checked in yesterday class, all are available here. So I found in offline mode, I found somehow two special characters and I gave them, I used them, right? So you can put here the special character, number or alphabet that could be single word or word or digit or alphabet, and you can give here the reason. Suppose I made it here active or inactive. You can make here suspended, like whatever you are trying to create here, you can make here, and click on save. Simply this will be saved, your data will be saved. So I did it, right? After that, what we were doing in yesterday class, this was the missing part. That is why I'm showing you this part, and I hope you might have understood how to do it. And again, now we'll do this employee subgroups. How we'll create employee subgroup. So in his yesterday class we did this also. For employee employee subgroups, we got the number 25, if you remember. So yesterday we created this for 20 because all numbers are used. So after 24 and 6, I saw that 25 is missing. So I chose this number 25. Give the code, employee subgroup code is 25, and name of EE subgroup is employee group is wages. For I'm creating this for wages. So wages in bracket my name initial, month and year, right? For my reference, future references, so that I could recognize that this is my entry only, right? Because there are so many entries, nobody can recognize who made this entry. Again, I chose 28 for salaried and employee. So how to create it, I shown you in last class. So we'll go back. Okay, so now I can show you, like we created company code, we created personal area, we created personal sub area, we created employee groups, we created employee subgroups as well. So now we'll go forward towards assignment option. Let's click on assignment. Now we can see here there is a financial accounting option. Let me show you how it works. You can see here assign company code to company is there. assign company code to credit control area, assign business area to consolidation business area, assign company code to financial management area, and assign profit center to company code. So this is not for our use, you can say. I'll show you how it looks like. I'll click on assign company code to company, assign company code to credit control area. So these are not for our use, so let it be. I'll not click on that. I'll click on controlling option. I clicked on it. This is also not for our use. I'll close it. I'll click on this option, human resource. आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ, अभी बोल के पढ़ा रही हूँ थोड़ा सा तो दो मेरा खेलोगी, देख रही हूँ खेल लो, चलो खोलो। तो क्या है बेटा इसमें, छोड़ दो यार। क्या बेटू, ये ले लो। हाँ, ये मैं नहीं निकाल रही बेटू। हाँ, नहीं निकाल रही बेटू। हाँ, ले लो ले लो, उसमें से निकाल लो, सब निकालो। क्या, वो निकालो निकालो, ये देखो निकालो, देखो। अरे 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 अरे, ये पैसा है बेटू, पैसा है बेटा। हाँ, ये देखो। इसमें सारा रख दो, उसमें उसमें रख दो, सब सब रख दो इसमें। हाँ, सब रखो उसमें, इसमें रखो, सब रख दो, रख दो, रखो। ठीक है ठीक है। ए बेटू, ये देखो, ये देखो, इस पे लगा लो। मुझे लगा दो, लो मुझे लगा दो। दिखाओ, यहाँ पे लग गया, ये देखो। ये देखो, ये देखो, यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ देखो, यहाँ देखो, क्या देखो। हाँ, ठीक। Now I'll click on human resource management option. We'll do assignment of personal area to company code. So in last class we did it, if you remember. Let's do it for because we remember for Delhi location we given the personal area is 4 times 9. Okay, so we'll search it. Now we can see here for Delhi SSR underscore October 2022. Company code is PW03 Private Limited and company country group is 40. Okay, and likewise we did for Uttarakhand location as well. So for Uttarakhand location we have given the code that is 1989, I think. Yeah, exactly. So for Uttarakhand location we have given the code, the personal area is for Uttarakhand is 1989 and the full name is Uttarakhand SSR Smita Singh Rajput underscore October 2022 and PW company code is PW03 Private Limited. We did it on I think 30th October I guess or 31st I think. So that is why this is the month is October. Now we are in November month. And country group 40 and company name is Private Limited PW Private Limited. Again we'll search, we'll go in position, we'll search 1999. For Bangalore location we given the personal area code 1999. Yeah, so Bangalore you can see here we already have filled. So we already have assigned of personal area to company code, right? So let's go back. So we have done with this option. Now we'll click on assign employee subgroup to employee group. So we'll do here. Okay. So here we can do assign. What is asking? Assign country assignment for employee group subgroup overview. So you can see here there are so many entries already there and yeah. So you can see here in new entries, we'll see here. So let's go in yeah, there, because I already have, because I already say that whatever you are doing or whatever you are practicing, please make a note and please make a note of every process whatsoever you are doing. Please note every steps and every process, so that in future if you are recalling, you can easily recall and you can easily make the thing work. So for employee group active, I given underscore SR underscore November and the special character is this. Okay. For inactive, this, as I shown you I think some time back. For employee group 25, employee subgroup 28. For employee subgroup 25 and 28 respectively. For wages, and you can see here, I'll show you how to do it. Okay. Let's click on new entry. Okay, I'll put here the special character. The code I give for active employees is this, and EE subgroup, employee subgroup code is this special character, and employee subgroup is I gave 25. Let's find it. I click on enter.
स्पेसिफिक आई मोबाइल का करता है कि 500 वीडियो डाला है और 1,500 सब्सक्राइबर है, 1,52,000।
ये पता नहीं क्या करता है। एक सेकंड ना, चुप रहना। Now we can see I put that special character. active underscore in bracket SR underscore November 2022. I choose this 25. And I'll choose the company name here, country. I'm making it for India. I'll search it here for India only, right? So let's click on India. Yeah, India is 40. I clicked on it. I clicked on this and saved. Yeah, this data is saved. Okay, now I'll go back. I'll click on, let me show you what I'm doing. I think you might not be understanding because I stopped somewhere, stuck somewhere. So we clicked on assign employee subgroup to employee group, right? So we are doing assignment of employee subgroup to employee group. So we did the assignment, right? So now again, we did it for active employees. Let's make for inactive employees. Let's click on new entries. Let's search by positions. Let's search. Okay, I searched with this. I put this special character subgroup 28. The group number, especially employee group code which I have given, I put here this, and employee subgroup code which I am giving here at 28, which we chose in last class, and country grouping is 40. India 40 for India. I click on continue. You can see here there is no entry. So let's do it. I'll click on new entries. I'll click on, I put employee group inactive and the number employee subgroup I chose, and I assign this to country. I'll do it for India. I'm doing it for India, so I'll choose India only. So India country code is 40. I clicked on it. I clicked on continue and saved. So now this will be saved in table number V underscore T503Z. I clicked on save. Okay. So now you can see here active employees, active and inactive. So active, for active employee group is this special character, and the name is active, and who created this? Smita Rajput underscore November 2022, and salaried employee is this, right? So I think we met this. Let's go back. So we also, what we did assignment of employee subgroup to employee group. Now what we'll do validity period for organizational assignments. So let's do it. I clicked on this arrow, and what we'll do is we'll do activate switch for validity period. We'll not do it. This is not for our use. Second option is also not useful for us. So let's make it define validity period for personal area, define validity period for personal sub area, define validity period for employee group, and define validity period for employee subgroup. So now we will have to define the validity period for all these groups. So let's make it respectively. I clicked on it, define validity period for personal area, Okay, so let's click on new entry. Yeah, so validity period for Delhi location. So for Delhi location, what code we have given? That is 4 times 9. Valid from 01 0 sorry 01 11 11 11 01 dot 11 dot 20 22 to कब तक validity like when until when it will be valid 31 12 999 we'll keep this. Okay, again for UK, UK means Uttarakhand 1989. Zero one 11 31 12 1999 01 11 31. Let's suppose all personal areas means locations work started on the same date and some same in same month. Enter, and then all the entries you made in earlier sessions and earlier groups, now it will be showing here, and now click on save. Again click on save. Okay, so we made this. Let's go back. So you can see it, all entries are there. So we validated the period for personal areas. Now we'll do for we'll define validity period for personal sub areas. Let's make it field name work area personal area personal area. So personal area for Delhi is 4 times 9. Continue. Yeah, so for Delhi location we created 3 personal areas: finance department, HR department and marketing departments. So let's, like you can see here already the dates, validity period we decided. I mean to say that we created in last session. You can see here all are updated here. So now nothing have to do here, and if any changes you want you can make it here and then you can click on save. So you can see all these things is there, things are there. We'll go, let's go back. Now we'll click on, again you can see the same thing like for 1989. You can say check, this is showing here. Like for Uttarakhand location there was only one personal sub area means department. So you can see here. Let's go back. Now you can see define validity period for employee groups. Let's click on it. Okay, so we'll have to validate this for employee subgroups. So employee subgroups are what? Employee groups and employee subgroups. So let's find here employee group, the code for active. Let's click on new entry, employee group. Yeah, we created this. Zero 01 11 2022 to 31 12 999. Again, for inactive employees, enter and save. Again, save. Let's go back. So now what we did, we defined validity period for personal area, defined validity period for personal sub area, defined validity period for employee groups. Now we'll define validity period for employee subgroups. Now you can see here employee subgroups, name of employee groups, start date and end date. So click on new entry, employee subgroups. Zero 1 11 20 22 2 31 12 999. Again 28 01 11 20 22 2 31. This. Let's click enter. You can see here and then save. I hope you're understanding. Okay, yeah. So we defined validity period for personal area, personal sub area, employee group and employee subgroups. So we done with all of this. So I hope आपको ये सारा ही समझ में आया होगा and like whatever thing I have explained in the classes, in earlier classes and this classes, you might be understanding. And if you're not understanding anything, if you're having doubt on any part or any session or any particular topic, then please do comment on comment section. I'll work on that. Okay, and thank you so much for watching me. Thank you very much.